పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలు ఉపాధి సంపద సృష్టిస్తున్నారని సీఎం చంద్రబాబు తెలిపారు. శ్రీ సిటీలోని బిజినెస్ సెంటర్లో పలు కంపెనీల సీఈఓలతో నిర్వహించిన సమావేశంలో ఆయన మాట్లాడారు. పరిశ్రమల ద్వారా ప్రభుత్వానికి ఆదాయం సమకూరుతుందని, ఈ సంపద సంక్షేమానికి దోహదం చేస్తుందని చెప్పారు. శ్రీ సిటీలో పలు సంస్థలకు చంద్రబాబు శంకుస్థాపన చేశారు. శ్రీ సిటీలో 8,000 ఎకరాల్లో పారిశ్రామిక జోన్లు ఏర్పాటయ్యాయి.
So far, 220 companies they are able to mobilize here. That is an amazing work they have done. 30 countries are present here. It is a unique experience. Always we are talking about bring foreign investment, everything. This is one example where different countries, 30 countries are present in one premises. Always this area is very interesting area. One side Chennai, another side Nellore, Krishnapatnam, third side is Tirupati. These three places are also very important places. Chennai always 55 kilometers from here, one of the best urban infrastructure, and also Krishnapatnam, Nellore, you are having one of the best port. Chennai there is a port, Krishnapatnam there is a port, Tirupati, one of the best city emerging because of Lord Balaji, one of the most powerful God, I strongly believe it, living God in this century. So these are all again very, very excellent land, educational institutions, we can add some more for human resource development, all these things are available. So we wanted to work here to make one of the best economic zone you may not find anywhere. I want to create that. So that all eminent industrial friends I want to invite, create excellent policies and also execute all these things and review periodically so that we'll have good advantage. Anytime you want to meet, you can meet me. We'll have a detailed interaction also, if necessary some more brainstorming that will help us win-win situation.